Hello, good afternoon. Can you introduce yourself, telling me your name, your age, and your marital status?
I am Karen Kabahog, 30 years old. I am single parent and I have two sons. One is 5 and the other one is 1 year old.
Okay, so who is taking care of your children now?
I am the one who takes care of them.
Okay, so who will take care of your children when you go abroad to work?
My mother who wants the one who takes cares of them.
Okay, so what did she say?
Um, it's okay for them to take care of my children.
Great. So can you tell me about your family background, like telling me your father's and mother's name, their occupation and their ages, number of their siblings, and your ranking in the family?
My father's name is Romeo Cabahog. He is a mechanic, 58 years old, and my mother's name is Jocelyn Cabahog, 55 years old and a housewife. Um, I am the third in the rank in the siblings.
Okay, so how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have two brothers and one sister.
Okay. Would you feel homesick or will you miss your family, especially your children, when you go abroad to work as a domestic helper?
Yes.
So, what will you do if you miss them?
Um, I just pray and if I have given a chance to call them, I will.
Okay,
Uh,
you will call them.
okay. Yes.
Okay, so did you ask permission to your parents to go abroad to work as a domestic helper?
Yes.
So, what did they told you?
They just push me to go.
So it's fine for them.
It's okay for them.
Okay, great. So, what is your educational background?
Um, I am a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration in major in entrepreneurship,
Okay, so at what school?
Bacolod City College.
Okay. So, can you please tell me about your working experience from the location of the work, duration of the work, and types of the work?
I work from as a sales clerk at Libertad Town Center from
Okay.
January 2010 from May 2011.
Okay. After that,
That was my latest job because
so
I
you're
gave birth
again.
May that was my last job because I gave
Okay.
birth from sa
Uh,
that was May
but
2011.
okay. But do you have any other working experience?
Yes, I worked before as a cashier in the Gaisano City Mall from January 2003 to October 2004.
Okay. Any other else?
Uh, I work also in CP Cellphone Repair Accessories as a sales clerk also, and that was 2005 from 2009,
Okay. So,
2010. That
is
was
there any more working experience?
that's all.
That's all. Okay. So, based on your working experience, how good do you think you are in doing housework?
I am good because I work in the house. I am the one who work and clean and
Okay, great.
also cook all. Uh,
Okay, great. So you're telling me that you are the one who is doing all the houseworks there in your house.
yes.
Okay, so how about cooking? Do you love to cook?
I cook. I cook also, but Filipino cook dish.
Okay, so you know Filipino
I
dishes
cook a little. Yes.
a little. How about foreign dishes? Do you know
I
any foreign dishes?
I know.
You know, can you give me some example
Of
of foreign dishes?
ah okay. Foreign? I
Yes.
don't I don't know how to cook foreign. Only
Okay, so
Filipino.
only
But
Filipino food.
I am willing to learn.
Okay, so great, great. So if the employer will teach you to their foreign dishes, are you willing to learn?
Yes. Yes, I am.
Okay, great. How about taking care of children? Do you have any experience taking care of
I
children?
have experience because I have two kids.
So you're the one who's taking care of your own
Yes.
children. Okay, great. So how about elderly and sick? Do you have any experience taking care of elderly and sick?
Um yes.
So
Yes,
where?
sir.
Where did you experience taking care of elderly and sick?
My sister and my two kids also.
Okay, so can you please elaborate? What are you saying?
I take care of my sister when she is sick.
Okay, so you're the one who's giving her medicine.
Yes, I am giving them.
Okay, great. So, how about pets? Are you afraid of animals like dogs and cats?
No, I'm not.
Okay, so if you ask to look after the pets, is there any problem?
No,
Great. So why do you want to go abroad to work and why Malaysia?
I go abroad because I want to give my family uh, financial support,
Okay.
especially my children.
Okay. Great. So how about why do you want to go to Malaysia?
I go Malaysia because it is near from the Philippines and
Okay.
and opportunity also.
Okay, great. So are you okay with the waiting period of 2 to 3 months?
Yes, I am.
And are you very sure you want to make this application as
Yes.
a domestic helper in Malaysia?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if I am the employer, what will you say to me to choose you as my domestic helper?
I expect you that you're a good employer.
Okay. So, can you tell me some of your characters and attitude?
I am hardworking person, honest and lovable.
Okay, great. So, thank you very much and see you in Malaysia.
Thank you, sir.